What's up everybody, my name is JR, aka the Sinister Camaro, and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. If this is your first time joining us, please hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out Tech Tip Tuesdays. We do some awesome reviews on some brand new technology from our partner companies, from random companies, just random stuff that I bought for myself and my wife. You're going to find that on Tuesdays on this channel. Now any other day is going to be automotive related, so stick around and hit that subscribe button if it sounds like something that you would like. If you've been here before and you're returning back, thank you so very much for love and support on another video. We love doing them. So today we are talking with our awesome company TONOR that has another microphone that they wanted us to review because they love the last few that we've done for them. And this is a brand new microphone called the TC30. It's a USB condenser microphone, and I can't wait to open this up to see what it's like. And you're gonna get my very first impressions because I haven't even opened the box to even try it out yet. So we're gonna find out all that together. And don't forget, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below so you can go directly to their store and order one for yourself. Very cool budget microphone, and they've got one for pretty much any occasion. So check out their store, and trust me, check out the other videos that we've had too, so you know exactly how to use this guy. But we'll get into it right after this. Alright, so right off the bat, let's see what the box holds. I like the presentation. It's very professional. It's very bland, but very professional with their brand new logo they just started using, so that's awesome. They say it's a Cardioid Pattern. It's a plug and play USB, which we like those because it's super easy to set up, and you've got an easy and clear sound, so that's awesome. If you need any kind of support, here's the channels that you need to go through if you have any trouble, any issues with it, or any questions at all. But support@tonormic.com. Email them there, or go to their website at tonormic.com if you want to check out whatever else they've got going on. So let's go ahead, let's open it up, let's see what we got. Alright, so we just opened it up. Here's what you're going to find in the box. You've got your 2-year warranty card. Be sure to fill that out and send it in for 2 years of warranty on your product. That's always good to have. We've got a nice instruction manual, so if you get lost at any point in time, that's what you need to check out. Then there you go, the microphone itself. That's very cool. So you got the tripod, you've got the mic itself, the cord, and the pop filter. First impressions, getting it out of the box, I'm gonna let you know now, it's the same kind of setup that the nice blue one that we had. So the blue one we had before had a cord that came out the bottom and it was attached to the microphones. If the cord went bad, then of course you had to exchange the whole entire microphone to get it fixed. But with this, all you have to do, just get a nice little nifty little cable right there. It looks like it's a USB-C connection right into there, into USB. So plug that right in and you're good to go. I like the fact that they put it in the stand right here. What it's gonna do is the rubber bands are gonna keep it from flailing around so much. So if you accidentally hit it, everybody listening is not gonna hear all that baffled. It's basically gonna amplify the noise that you just tap, you barely hear. It's gonna go boom right in their ear. So that's gonna reduce that. I love when they do this. I have it on my boom mic behind me, so I really like that. You have a little spindle here, so you can tighten this up so it will move, it'll stay in place wherever you want it. It has that full range of motion, like that right there. And of course, they're a nifty little logo. Bam, you like it. I really like this because, I mean, it's a basic, just black and silver with the hints of gold. So if you have any kind of color preferences as far as what you're going to be going for on your setup, it's black, it's gray right here. The microphone itself is black and the arms are black. These are all black, so it'll pretty much go well with almost anything. So that is awesome. There's a nice pop filter, a nice meshy material with plastic holding it around the edges. And then I'm surprised that this is a heavy duty metal with the word TONOR on it that you connect to it. It looks like it's high quality, so I like that a lot. And what you're going to do is you're going to see these little 2 rivets at the top here, and you're going to slide it on in. And it clicks into place, and that's what it's going to look like right there. So you just slide it into place, it clicks at the end here, and don't worry, if you want it closer to the pop filter, you can do that. If you want it further away, just slide it down. Have a nice little gap in between. That way, if the mesh rubs, it does not interfere. But yeah, that's pretty cool. That's what it looks like on front of the box, of course. Bam, it's gonna be right there in front. So basically what you want to do is you want to have your mouth right here. So unlike other mics where it's on the sides, you want to have it on the top. and it's going to point directly to you. So keep that in mind. And of course, we've got your USB to USB-C cable, and unfortunately it looks like it's not braided. It's just a regular rubber cable, which is perfectly fine, not a big deal at all. I just prefer the braided cables just because they don't tangle as easily, and the rubber around these kind of comes off on a lot of other companies. I can't very much say much for this company right now because the longevity of their microphones I have not used, so I'm not sure. It's just like rips and tears, like you know how the iPhone charging cables do and you have to replace those all the time. I don't think it's going to be like that, but braided cables I just prefer a little bit better. Setup is super easy. As you can see on the bottom here, that is your connector. What you're going to do is take your USB-C side and you're just going to plug it in like that until it snaps. So it's in place, tug on it, it's good to go. And then the next thing you're going to do is take the USB side, plug it into your computer, give it about 1 to 2 minutes, probably even less than that depending on what your computer runs like, and it's going to download the drivers for it and it should pop up as another device on your computer. What we're going to do is we're going to test this guy out. Of course, like all my other videos, I use the HyperX Quadcast. It's basically the same kind of microphone except you got 4 different settings on it. It's a high-end mic. It's $150 compared to this $30-something microphone. So we're going to test it out and see what it sounds like side to side so you guys can really get the feel for it. And if you guys want to buy it, don't forget in the description below I will leave a link to this microphone so that you can check out their store and grab one for yourself. Alright guys, so as you can tell in the picture, this is my HyperX Quadcast. This is a $150 microphone. What you're hearing now, there's no extra applications or anything that we're running. It's just Streamlabs. You can see in the bottom right hand corner the mic audio, or the mic aux is actually the microphone itself picking up what I'm talking about. So there's nothing extra going on. This is just very basic sound. Now you can get other kind of applications to make this sound better. If you're a very talkative, high-pitched, just scream kind of person, you want to have a cap on how far it goes. So that way your audience that's listening to this video, that's listening to your stream, to your podcast, does not get overwhelmed and does not get blown out eardrums. Because headphone users, I'm sorry, but there's a lot of people that get their ears blown out because people just simply talking in a microphone. So make sure have those applications on there. But this is what a $150 bone stock microphone sounds like. Now let's take this down and we're going to go plug in the TONOR mic and we're going to see how that sounds. Just a second. Alright guys, so just letting you know that I'm holding this up just so you can see that we have the TONOR mic on. You can see at the bottom right hand corner everything's moving. Again, there is nothing at all being added to this microphone. What you're hearing now is what you get. No special applications or anything. So I'm not too sure until I play this back if I'm going to like the way it sounds or not. But this microphone itself, let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this something that you want to buy? I mean, $30-something compared to $150. Does this do the same job? Would you want to have this kind of microphone? Some people have their stream set up where you don't see it. So some podcasts have it set up so you don't see it. So does it really matter that much? As long as they're hearing the clear, crisp sounds from a microphone like this. Compared to a headset, whether it be your stock Xbox one, your PlayStation one, or some Astros, the microphones are pretty bad. But something like this, $30-something, I mean, you can't beat it, right? So this is the TONOR TC30 test. Let me know what you think. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. That is all. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please give us a thumb up. It really does help us out so very much. Doing these videos, I love the response we're getting from people because they've been looking at these microphones, they like our reviews, they like hearing side by side compared to a $150 microphone compared to something as cheap as a $30 because we're not all ballers, and that's perfectly fine. We'll get there one day. It's a stepping stone. There's levels to streaming, podcast, or whatever. So this is a great alternative for budget-friendly microphones that I think they definitely run with the big dog. So I'm happy to be working with them to give them the 100% honest reviews because their products have really blown me away. Even though they're super cheap, they have really high quality for what they are. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Don't forget, always remember, stay sinister.
Perfect.